I'll still be catching up when I'm older, and I'll still complain when the weather gets colder. I'll still oversympathize, I'll still cry if the dog dies. I'll still hold on to the memories that stored away, so I can pretend I don't think about them every day. The early bird gets the worm, but what's all of the wood? There's still worms any time of day. I don't know what else to say. Why do I have to decide between rushing or standing still? Being on time is useless when I have no role to fill. So why can't you see? I don't want to risk being seen, just to take a chance on something, maybe being left for me. I am not your golden child, I am not your poster boy. I can't stand the pressure of being your pride and joy. So the early bird gets the worm, I stay firm in the same spot. Why do I have to be a perfect circle? When I was born to be a splattered dot, born to be a splattered dot. The girl will get the guy while I stand in the corner and let out a sigh, and I'll just stay inside, 'cause everything just makes me feel like I am so behind. So I'll just sit and procrastinate, even though I'm probably late for something I don't even want. So I'll stay up late and write a song, 'cause I don't have anything I'll be late for. The world will still turn, the early bird will get the worm.